All right, so today we are doing exponential equations. So our essential question is, how do I solve exponential equations?
So who uses this? Well, exponential scales are used to measure light in photography.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so an exponential equation is an equation containing one or more expressions that have a variable as an exponent. We have
Okay.
talked about that. To solve an exponential equation, these are the steps. You're going to take the log of both sides and solve for x.
Okay.
That's it. So let's scroll up to example 1 right now. And we're going to log both sides. There we go. And we're going to log the other side. Okay, well now the minute I see the left side, I see that 2 to the x, I think of the baseball property, where you can throw it to the front.
All right.
That's the power property for logs.
So we got 2x log 3
Yep.
equals log 27.
Exactly. Now we're solving for x. So we want to get x by itself. So first we should probably divide both sides by log 3.
Okay. Divide by log 3. Just cancel. Divide by log 3.
Exactly. So now what happens is we can bring down the 2x. And what's technically going to happen is you're going to use your calculators right now. And I notice I don't see a base for the log. So if we don't see a base, Miss Boyd, what is it?
Base 10.
Right. And the calculators are set up for a base 10.
Okay.
So you type in log 27 divided by log 3. And what you come up with is 3.
Just plain 3?
Plain 3.
Nice.
And now all we do is divide both sides by 2.
Get x by itself, so divide by 2. Divide by 2.
Right.
X equals 3 over 2.
And you're done.
Nice.
That's
Now, can I ask, is this just a coincidence that we had the 3 and the 2 like this, and we got our answer 3 over 2? Okay, so don't assume that always.
No,
It just happened this way.
Definitely not. Okay, let's go to the next page. And example 2. Let's try another one because this one's a little different.
Okay.
But the minute you see an exponential equation, you have to log both sides.
8 minus x equals, oh, I forgot my log.
Don't forget the log.
Log, oh boy.
You're good.
27 x minus 3.
Right.
We're gonna
Now,
base both,
right, because you have a log with an exponent. You can use the power property of logs. I would put the 8 minus x, because it's a binomial.
Perfect.
And the same thing over there.
X minus 3 log 27.
Right. So now, technically what I do when you get to a type of problem like this, you have an x on the left and you have an x on the right.
Okay.
So I start on the left because log that 9 is lower than 27.
Yes,
so let's divide both sides by log 9.
Perfect.
In the end, it really will not matter.
Okay.
So
that goes away.
So then we're left with 8 minus x is equal to, and then
3.
now,
Can we just put these over each other?
and you know what, let's just, that's
Do
the
it
step where
in
they
the
do it in their calculator. You
Alright.
type log 27 divided by log 9, and, oh good, perfect. And when you type log 27 divided by log 9, you get 1.5.
Okay.
All right. Well, now look at the right side. We have to distribute the 1.5. And when we do that,
1.5
x minus 4.5.
Okay.
And on the left side, we have 8 minus x. Well, now, what do you think? We have a lot of different options here. I typically like to put my x's on the left side and my numbers on the right.
Okay.
So I would subtract 1.5x.
So we get
8. We're going to run out of room, Art.
2.5x equals negative 4.5. Now subtract 8.
Yep.
Just move this up.
Oh, good idea. So you
we're
get
left with
negative 2.5x is equal to negative 12.5.
Divide by negative 2.5.
Mm-hmm.
And we get x equals
5.
5.
That's your answer.
All
Done.
right.
Pretty straightforward.
So
that
it's
one
a lot
just
of steps,
lot
but
of
you guys
steps.
can do them.
Right.
Just take your time and slow down.
Right.
Okay.
Let's see. How about, should we save this one
Sure.
for
Let's
class?
save this one for class.
And go to the next page?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. I think we should do this one.
Okay, let's do this one. So we're gonna log both.
Let's write log.
So
Right. It's the
log
same steps for every
4
single one.
x to the 1. Oops. Let me clear that up a little
Yeah.
bit.
There we go.
X minus 1. There we
Mhm.
go. Equals log 5.
Right.
We're gonna baseball this.
Mm-hmm.
So we get x minus 1.
And Miss Boyd put it in
log
parentheses.
4 equals log 5. There's nothing to baseball this time.
No. Now I would
Divide by log
divide,
4.
remember, both sides by log 4.
Oops. Log 4, that goes away. We're
So
gonna
you get-
put this in our calculator.
Yep. And when we put that in our calculator, we get 1.16.
So that's what that equals.
Mhm.
We're left with x minus 1 equals,
And we just add
Just
1 to
add
both
1.
sides.
that's easy enough. X equals 2.16.
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Great.
All right.
So, all right, we have example 5.
Say we save that one for class.
Okay, we'll save that one for
Make
class.
this a nice small video.
Yeah. So solve. So look at number 1.
Mhm.
You must, because it's an exponential equation, you must log both sides. And then you're going to
Don't forget
use
the
the
baseball.
power property or baseball. And on the second one, that one's a
Same.
little more challenging. But again, it's an exponential equation. You're going to log both sides. And that's
And
going to come out
baseball,
front,
both
and that's
of
going to come out front.
And get your answer.
Perfect.
All
We will
right,
see
see you
you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.